Hey there everyone, this is Nathan Birch. In this video, we are going to learn how to embed a YouTube video into our applications. So I already did this once, and I'm gonna go ahead and just do this one more time. I'm thinking I might, I'll just replace my personal information for now, and I'll throw in another video. So I have this video pulled up. Great song by Matt and Savannah Shaw, if you've never heard of it. But there's a pretty cool button right here. You may have seen before, just share. But there is an embed video way to share, and it actually gives you the HTML code to do it. When I do this, I can say, yeah, I want to start at a certain point in the video, and that will just add this in here to say, yep, start at 71 seconds, which I don't want to do. Show player controls, I can add that if I want to, or enable privacy enhanced mode. I usually just leave it like this. I'll leave the player controls there, and that's it. And when I hit copy, it'll just copy all that code. And then I can come over here. So I'm going to look at my personal information. I'll just search in here. I did Control or Command F. I'm going to search for personal information. It's right there. And I'm going to take out my list, my beautiful list, and I'm going to put that right there. Okay. Now I'm going to save it and look at that. Okay. Now it doesn't look as good as this one because I applied some styles. Well, actually, I don't remember. Let's look at it real quick. So I have personal information right here. I think I just changed the width and the height of this other one. So I could do that as well. I could just kind of play around with this a little bit. The reason why this one says 236.25 is just because the aspect ratio needs to match. So I think I did like 75% for both of these. Now, with that said, you should actually be able to add a class. Let's just try to add a class to this. And I'll say YouTube video. And in my CSS, I'm going to style that CSS, head towards the bottom. Oh, not that far. Right here is perfect. And I'll just add that class, and then I'll say width. We'll say 100%. Actually, we'll say width is 80%. And then I'll say margin is 0 on top and bottom, even on the left and the right. So that would be the same thing as me just saying like that. Okay. Let's see here. I'm also going to add, actually, let's just see what happens if I do that. Okay, so it works. See how it's like nice and centered in here? And I can watch this. It looks like it will keep the aspect ratio the same by giving me extra space on top and bottom, which is great. I can blow it up if I want to. But yeah, that looks really good. Okay. The nice thing about this is if my page changes, it'll still be where it's supposed to be. See how my other one's like hanging out now? And conversely, if I had like a really big web page, if I zoomed out a bunch, that's what it would look like. Okay, so this one's not holding up very well. A little bit of CSS here went a long way. So all I want to do, I'm actually just going to make that change with my other one as well. And I should be able to just take this off at this point. I'm not really using this. And so I'm just going to copy this class for YouTube video, and I'll paste it right here. So I've changed both of those, and now they both should look good, and they should both have that same styling there. So, okay, well, you guys, that was pretty much it for the YouTube video. I hope this helped.